we'll guide you through how to use the Trello Timeline feature. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you want to use the Timeline feature. Timeline is part of Trello's premium features, so make sure you have access to that. On your board, locate the Views menu at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different views you can switch to. Select Timeline from the options. The Timeline view gives you a comprehensive, calendar-like overview of all your tasks and projects, showing them as horizontal bars across a timeline. If your tasks have due dates, they'll automatically appear on the timeline according to their deadlines. You can easily adjust the start and end dates by dragging the edges of the task bars. To add a new task directly from the timeline, click on the timeline where you want the task to appear, and a new card will pop up for you to fill in the details. You can also click on existing tasks to edit or update their information. The timeline feature allows you to filter tasks by members or labels, providing a customized view of what each team member is working on. This is particularly helpful for project managers to oversee the progress and workload distribution. If you're planning a project, you can zoom in and out of the timeline to see the detailed or overall picture of your project's timeline. Remember to save any changes you make to keep everything updated. By using the timeline view, you can easily visualize your project progress and deadlines, making it a powerful tool for project management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.